In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ban an Instagram account by blocking it in just a few simple steps. We'll walk through the process from start to finish, so even if you're new to Instagram, you'll be able to follow along easily. Blocking an account is a helpful way to protect your privacy, avoid unwanted messages, or simply clean up your experience on the app. When you block someone, they won't be able to see your posts or stories, message you, or interact with your profile in most typical ways. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Then go to the profile of the account you want to block. You can do this by using the search bar at the top of the app and typing in their username, or by tapping on their name if you see them in your feed, in your followers list, or in your direct messages. Once you're on their profile page, you're ready for the next step. At the top right corner of their profile, you'll see an icon with 3 small dots arranged vertically. This is the options or more menu for that account. Tap on those 3 dots. A menu will slide up from the bottom of the screen or appear in the middle, depending on your device and app version. This menu gives you several options related to that profile. In this menu, look for the option labeled Block. It usually appears close to the top of the list. Tap on Block. As soon as you do this, Instagram will show you a confirmation screen. This is to make sure you really want to take this action, since blocking changes how that account can interact with you. On this confirmation screen, you might also see options about whether you want to block just this account or also any new accounts they might create. Choose the option that fits your situation, then tap Block again to confirm. After you confirm, Instagram will complete the action and usually show a brief message letting you know the account has been blocked. You can then tap to go back or simply leave their profile. If you ever change your mind later, you can return to their profile, tap the 3 dots again, and choose Unblock. And that's it. You've successfully banned or blocked an Instagram account and taken control of who can interact with you on the platform.